In this assignment, we are going to draw this sketch. First, draw a circle from origin of 40 mm dia. Draw another circle of 70 mm dia. Draw another circle of 100 mm dia. Now, select cylindrical elongated hole. First, select a center point. Then give 45-degree angle from here. Now, you can see that it is moving at 45-degree angle. Left click. Now, select second point on horizontal axis. Drag the mouse and left click to exit. Double click to edit radius. Give 20 mm. Define elongated hole distance from origin. Give 120 mm. Now draw a circle of 30 mm dia. Draw a concentric circle of 60 mm dia. Define these concentric circles. Give distance of 49 mm from vertical axis. Now give distance of 98 mm from horizontal line. Select elongated hole command and draw one elongated hole. Now define it. Give length 60 mm. Give radius 12 mm. Now give distance of 275 mm between these 2 points. Draw another elongated hole, but this of bigger size. Give 24 mm radius. Now select cylindrical elongated hole and draw one but larger than the previous one. Give 30 mm radius. Now select 3-point arc. Select first point, second point and third point. First, select the arc and press Ctrl key and select this arc. Now go to the constraint defined in the dialog box toolbar and select it and give tangency relation between them. Now select this circle, press Ctrl key and select this arc and give tangency relation between them. Now give the radius of the arc, that is 50 mm. Again select 3-point arc. Select first point, second point and third point. Give tangency relation. Select this arc and this circle and give tangency relation. Give radius 111 mm. Now draw a line from this point to this point, and here you can see that it gave tangency relation automatically. Again draw a 3-point arc and give tangency relation in order to fully define the sketch. Give radius to this arc. Give 60 mm. Edit this radius to 60 mm. Now use quick trim to trim unnecessary parts. So here is our final sketch.